In this video, I will show you how to delete Spotify account. Firstly, when you open up the application, you need to go on the search setting bar on your right upper side. Then you need to scroll right down. And right down you're gonna find out that setup, which is for helping center, or as you can see right here, it says about info, which needs to get up and take your support. Go for support section, and then it will get up directly to your browser, in which here firstly you need to take off here and go to that setup, which when you go for account help, you're gonna find out all these setups, in which or simply on that search box you can type for delete. Just go for setup and take a look on that selection, and simply you need to wait. Yeah, as you can see here, you have closing your account, or this means that you can get up and delete your account. Just click on that selection, and here guys, as you can see here, it is the tips of how do you can up and take that deletion of your account. You can go close your account now, and simply firstly what you need to do, you need to here fulfill all of these informations. You need to log in into your account, and then you're gonna be available to delete your Spotify account.